I was on Facebook and I saw this post of this junk removal company looking for help to get more business. And this is what I said. This is what I'm going to say is I would get a Google business profile set up. Make sure if you currently don't have your top level keyword like junk removal in the name, I would go and file a do business as with your state for around 40, $50 and change your Google business profile name to include the top level keyword junk removal. Then I would make sure that when you go to edit your Google business profile, that every single field is filled out. The attributes, spots to add appointment links. Little tip here, just point it to your website. Put your social media profiles. Your description has to have all 750 characters filled out. Then what I would do is go to your services and I would get 10 to 15 services listed on there with descriptions and price ranges. I would label your services like couch removal, junk removal, house junk removal, construction junk removal, fridge junk removal, TV junk removal, furniture junk removal, and just keep going on until you have a good, healthy list of items and services on your Google business profile. Then you need to start getting reviews. Every time you do a service, just make sure you're asking for a review and you're following up if they don't leave a review to leave a review. Make it easy as possible for them. All they have to do is click a URL or scan a QR code and everything's done right there. Then you just start optimizing your website. Simplest thing I can tell you to start with first is to have your title tag, your meta description, and your H1 on your homepage to have the keyword junk removal. Then in your H2, H3, 4, or 5, I would have a variation of the top level keyword junk removal. You also need to look at your competitors' websites for what's ranking around you and look at what they're doing and just do it 5% better. So now that tail end portion of what I'm talking about, I'll do it live right here and show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to go junk removal Miami, right? Just as an example. So we're going to go through here and look at this. First thing we see, Miami junk removal. Junk removal in Miami, junk removal. See this? Already we're seeing the first suggestion I made. Then over here, we look at their services: appliance removal, construction debris removal, furniture removal, junk removal, yard debris removal, appliance removal, and more big furniture, and I can just keep going on and on. They have 136 services listed. And when I search for them, they're ranking at the top. And they're ranking at the top for a reason. Look at all these services and look at the reviews, 4.9 stars, you know? This is just what you have to do now to get business off of Google. And I mean, look at all these different variations of just the word junk removal, right? All right, let's look at their website. We're going to right click, view page source, and we're going to type in junk removal. So they have it 73 times. So we need to have it a little bit more than them. So maybe like 80, right? Now let's go to another competitor. Let's go to this guy right here. And let's look at their services. They have 69 services as well. Pretty high count of services. Now it's looking like they have a little bit of a different variation of junk removal. So then we'll close out of that. And next we're going to look at their website, right? All right, let's see. We'll close this. We're going to look at their structure of the page. We're going to look at their title tag, meta descriptions, and their H1s and see what they currently have going on. While that loads, we're going to go over here, look at theirs. So as we can see, title tag, Miami junk removal Miami, yard debris, Miami. Then their description, look at this, Miami junk removal. And they got junk pickups, furniture removal, but basically everything that's been suggested already. We'll look at their H1. Their first one's on an H1. That's something that they're missing out on. But look right here, Miami junk removal, Miami junk removal, Miami junk removal. And then you can just see that over and over again. Then we'll go back to this site, it finally loaded, and we'll look at their content, how they structured their page. Look at this, junk removal. Junk offers junk removal, residential commercial cleanouts. Look at this, their H1, junk removal, trash pickup, mattress removal, garbage disposal removal. That's interesting. So then we'll go back over here and then we'll look at this last one, just another example. Look at all of these services. They only have 21, which is interesting when we search this. This is the only reason why, but it's something to consider is this one had way more than these two. This one had more than this one, and we could see how that they stack ranked. Now, I'm not saying that that'll happen every single time, but it is interesting to see, right? So we'll come here. Junk removal, professional junk removal, title, description, H1, junk removal. And there you go. Now, this isn't guaranteed to get you anything, but this is definitely going to put you in the right spot to start getting those leads, to have that, to start this process, because SEO does take a little bit of a while, but this is going to jumpstart it for you and get you in a way better position than where you currently are.